What's up, guys? We are back in the Project Car series with part number 12, and we are in round 3 of 3 in the Euro, I have the hiccups, the Euro Championship. So we are going to be at oh my gosh, hiccups. We are going to be at Monza this time, so see you at the track. Okay, we are starting from last place, guys. Not good, but we'll see where we can finish. No, what's he doing? He shoved me out wide. Oh my gosh, this has been a great start though. We're already in the 6th. Make that 5th. Sorry. We just smacked it into the wall. That's so funny. This is a much quicker lap, I think. Brake, 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 brake. Late braking. How did we not hit that wall? Here we are, coming to the end of this race. This might be our fastest lap. I mean, yeah, it's our fastest lap, and we won the race. That's great. Gives us 25 points, and it looks like we won the Road TC Euro Championship. Cool. Now I think we'll be going to the real championship to win this touring or Clio, or I don't know. Who knows what we're doing next. Okay, here we are for round 1 out of 5 in the Renault Clio Cup. Here we are, second race of today. Oh wow, everybody's in Renaults. This will be interesting. Pull to the middle. Renaults. Dodging. Oh my gosh, dodging like a boss. Oh, wow. Into 6th already. Okay, there's only 20 races in now. Well, that 30 races was just like, you can't escape the cars. Oh. We've got a second warning, okay. Probably shouldn't cut the track if we're getting warnings. I mean, we'll get a penalty, probably. Oh, this is only 2 laps. Okay. Brake. That is not a braking line. That is like a warning line that you're going to mess up if you brake later than that. Here we are to the end of the race. We have won it. The first race in this Euro Clio Cup Championship. Oh, okay. Apparently there's 2 races at this track. Or we're going to skip that lady. Five laps, wow. This is a long race, guys. We are off track already. Oh, don't brake later than that line. Right behind 3rd place. Oh, I hit her. Or him, I don't know. Oh, he's going quick now. I can't really keep up with him. Oh. I hit him. Wait, you have to pit? The pits? Oh. win this race? Well, here's a view of the pits. Oh my gosh, I'm getting held up by so many cars. Wow, we are so far behind. But think about everyone else in front of us still has to make a pit stop. So we might have the effective lead of this race. Who knows? So we're just gonna don't fly through corners, okay? It's a bad idea. Don't do it. See, we're 5 seconds slower. And we're 19 seconds behind 12th place. Oh! I think we're gonna get the lead. We have the lead of this race. Alright, and it's the final lap, so see you guys at the end of this lap and race. Here we are, guys, coming to the end of this race. We will win it. That is great. I think that's 2 wins today. It's really good. That's our second race in touring. Or second win, I should say. 32 points overall. Oh wait, no, that's not even. 64 points overall. That's great. Thanks for watching. Hope you have enjoyed. See you in the next video. Peace out.